Hi, welcome back. In this video lecture, I will show you how you can create the data engineering agent. So they act as a data engineer, AI data engineer, and they will work independently into the SQL area. So this video I will demonstrate in dedicatedly to the SQL and the database coding, debugging activity like how you can create an data engineering agent and how the AI engineer agent they can automatically write the SQL code. They automatically save the SQL code, and if any failure is there, any pipeline failure is there, they can also debug and they can fix the code as well. So first you can go to the codex and since I'm creating the new skill set, new AI agent, so I have created one new project called SQL area. Okay, so I already had discussed how you can create the new project, and we can use the first because I need to be create the data engineer agent dedicated to the SQL area. Same like you can create for the Python, same you can create for the PySpark, or you can also include all the like skill into this SQL area as well. So just you can type the slash and you can type the skill. Okay, so we have the skill creator. So this is the system. So we will use this skill creator, and you need to be give the correct prompt. Okay, so you can download the prompt. I will provide ready to use this prompt as well. So uh, you can write like act as a senior SQL developer, database engineer, or technical interview mentor with 15 years real world experience in enterprise application, banking system, healthcare, retail, telecom, and large scale of data platform. So basically, you can give the objective of also build a comprehensive SQL developer learning and practices project cover SQL fundamentals, advanced SQL, query optimization, store procedure, function, ETL concept, SQL interview question, like if you cross question they can understand. So this is not the interview point of view, but if you cross question they will give the answer. Generate all folder SQL script, sample data set at readme file, and also technical skill required SQL server, MySQL, Postgre, Oracle SQL, SQLite. You can also include the other cloud database as well, and create the following structure like basic to advanced, join, subquery, store procedure, function, index, transaction locking. So basically all this requirement if you have covered. So and also you can give the some fundamental as well. So this prompt I will give, and this will prompt we have very helpful to one-time activity. You can also download and copy and paste this prompt. And if I hit the button, so this will be start creating the skill into the folder SQL folder. So you can see they are started thinking, and after the skill got created, so we can wait for another 1 or 2 minutes to complete this skill. Now you can see in the codex it got completed, and all .md file is created. Readme architecture overview, 200 SQL interview question .md file. So this is not the exactly question. This is a skill got created. So if you can try to open, you can see you will get some question related to MD file. So uh, indexing question. So if you ask, they can answer all based on this question as well. So you can also see the performance playbook is also got created. So in the performance playbook, they have the complete capture of the SQL. Now let me test this agent. They will able to write the code or not. So basically, I'm giving one simple question based on the store procedure. So you can test to the agent, AI engineer agent. So I'm giving you the requirement to create the reusable store procedure based on the below requirement, and the input parameter is English education, and save the .sql file in the folder. Whatever we have, the SQL folder is there created. So we have condition, if English education is bachelor, we need to update the email address at the gmail.com. So email address, you can also give the clear understanding, like not email address is also email address is one of the column name. So you can type the email address is the column name. So if you hit the enter, they will basically create this based on the requirement. So whatever the skill we have got created. So again, they will take another couple of minutes to understand and save the file. So now you can see this task is completed. So created the store procedure, and they have given the procedure dot SQL. So this they have given. So if you can open, you can see the procedure here. So this basically procedure name is there, and purpose is there, or assumption is there. Target table name is DVO customer. You can also give the target table name. Validation if supply education is uh, print as error message. So this is the condition validation is given. So you can see error message got also populated, and something is there. They have given the some executable as well. So if you want to modify anything, you can also ask to the this AI engineer as well, something to debug the code, or if you have multiple code is there, you can also uh, try to ask to compare the code as well. So now you can see the code is ready, but still if you have any code issue, or you can ask to AI agent to cross check, like when you can see updating the table, they not using any uh, transaction is there. Okay, so uh, you can ask to update the uh, procedure to handle the error, handle the transaction and error as well. So whatever you have, something is there, you can cross ask to they can again revalidate, and they can update based on that. So basically, I updated the procedure to actual email up to inside the transaction, so they can try catch the block. They will start. So they asking for the again for the approval. So now you can see it got block, and basically got updated. So now if you want to open, you can see the this file. So now they can included the transaction as well. Okay, so if you whatever you want, you can ask for this, and they will basically update all these things. So uh, in the next lecture, I will show you how you can debug the code and auto fix the code. Thank you so much. Keep learning, keep innovating.